Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a nice day to apply some products since our Bermuda is starting to green up. And today you're going to see me apply the AIR8. And I'm going to be applying it with the steel backpack sprayer with a T-jet nozzle. So take a look. Directions say to apply it 6 ounces to 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet. I went with 8 ounces on the higher end because this house has been here for almost 3 years now and it's never been aerated. So I feel like with all the real mowing I've done, it's compacted the soil. So I'm hoping this will kind of loosen it up and aerate it. But I'm really interested in these new type of products versus a mechanical aeration because I don't want to tear the grass up, and we have like cables and irrigation heads and stuff that, you know, would be a problem with a mechanical aerator. So I'm hoping this will give us good results, and we'll have to just see in a couple of weeks. Give us a like and a thumbs up, and comment below if you've used it or if you're interested in it, and we'll see how it goes. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.